everyone, in today's video I'm going to unbox the Sony A7S III and my new lens. I also walk through how to attach the camera strap to the camera and how to attach the lens to the camera, so all that coming up, and let's get started. I'll start with the camera first, and here's the box. And here are some of the details on the back of the box. Now let's open it. First there's some manuals, USB-C cable, so a USB-A to USB-C, and I can use this to charge the camera. And this is an HDMI clamp. So it helps to keep everything plugged into the camera in place, and I'll show you how it gets attached here. You can open up these flaps, push this in, and it clicks, and now it's connected. And once it's on, you can push this metal thing down and then twist it, and it will stay in place. Now that's sturdy. Camera strap, and I'll put how to attach this to the camera here. So you'll take this off here, pull out this bottom part, just trying to get the inside out. Stretch this out. Now it looks like that. And on this clamp, you can put this in here. This side can go back in here. Pull through. This piece goes back into here. And tighten. Then you do the same thing on the other side, and there you have it. Next up we have the battery charger, and here's the cable that connects the charger to the wall outlet. And here's the battery. It's a Z battery, the FZ100. So there's two options to charge the battery, which is nice. You can either put the battery in here, plug this into the wall, and then charge it. And to do that, I'll plug in this cord here, then plug this into an outlet, and put the battery in here. When I plug it in, it starts charging and this light goes on. And the other option is when the battery's in the camera, you can charge it with the USB-C cable, and I'll show that here. Now for the camera, the reveal. Wow, I'm in awe, speechless. And it's pretty light too. I was expecting it looks a lot heavier than it is. It's really not that heavy. Like, this is portable. I could walk around with this. Starting with the top of the camera, there's the on and off switch here. The record button, dials, and these dials click in and lock. So if I click that in, that's not moving, but if I click it again, now it's unlocked and I can move it. So if I bump it, which I know I will, it won't move anything. It has a viewfinder. And these clamps on the side are sturdy and don't really move around that much or make any noise, which is great. Especially if you're a vlogger or walk around with the camera a lot, that's going to be helpful to not have to worry about. And then on this side of the camera, there's the headphone jack, HDMI port, the USB-C port and micro USB, and the microphone input. Hold on, I need to double check that in the manual. Yep, I think that was right. Phew. Alright, moving on. And then on this side of the camera, you can push this down and... the heck? How does this open? So you push down and pull out. Then it pops open like that. Dual SD slots. These can fit 2 regular SD cards, which I use, or the CF Express Type A cards. I don't really know that much about those Type A cards, so sorry, but I might look into that in the future, but right now I just use the regular SD cards. And here's the bottom of the camera, and you can get the battery by opening up here. Now let's check out the screen. Flips out. And then that way. A lot of different angles here you can do. Flips the whole way. Good for vlogging since it flips this way. And the screen can fold in, which is nice, so it doesn't get all scratched. This is a touchscreen, and I'll show you that once I turn it on. Now let's open the lens. Comes with a lens hood, and here's the lens. Some buttons here, and the lens cap. And to attach the lens to my camera, I'll take off this cover here, and then I'll attach this into here. And if you can see, there's 2 white dots. There's a white dot here on the lens, and then a white dot here. You can see that, so I'll match those up and it should lock in. There it is. And then to take the lens off the camera, if you ever needed to take it off or switch it out, there's this button here on the bottom, and you push that in, and then you can twist this lens the other way and it'll pop out. And there it is. That was stressful. Raise your hand if you're a new timer to fancy cameras. Raise his hand. Battery is in, memory card is in, and let's turn it on. Big moment. And here's the touchscreen. And that's it. I'm on. Lights, camera, action, baby. Now I have to learn how to use it. That's it for today, and thanks for watching. As you can tell, I am no camera expert, but there are a few other very important tips that I have if you're interested in buying this camera. I would not recommend just going on Amazon and buying any random memory card. I don't know who would do that. I've learned the hard way that it's better to get a memory card like this one. And it's important to know about these details. I also wouldn't necessarily recommend this lens. I just got it because it was small. If there are any lens experts that know of good, compact, small lenses that go well with this camera, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to know. Don't forget to hit that like button if you like this video, and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my next one. And I'll see you next time for more content from me. Bye. Miss you already. Like this video if you miss me already. Bye.